2024 Bigfoot Open House in Pacific, Missouri brought the heat. Aside from the 90-degree temps, this year's event was a great time as always. This was my third year attending because the monster truck displays, demos, and Trigger King RC monster truck competitions are just too cool to miss. Right after all the trucks pulled out of the shop in the early morning, the RC Show and Shine competition kicked off. The Show and Shine at this event is usually just for Bigfoot themed trucks. However, this year they opened it up to any truck, which brought out some amazing builds. Shortly after the Show and Shine wrapped up, we got right into racing with the Retro class. What I love about the Bigfoot Open House is they have some car crush exhibitions scattered throughout the day. This year, Darren Schnell drove Bigfoot number 15 a couple of times with an awesome split body that brought back a couple of classic Bigfoot paint schemes.
Oh, that wing.
OBC slide edge on start.
I competed in the Sport Mod racing class with my third low CLMT, as well as the Pro Mod class with my Black Market RC Fighter. Congrats to all of the racing winners. For full coverage of the RC Monster Truck competitions at the open house, be sure to check out the Trigger King RC YouTube channel.
And it's gonna be Bigfoot at behind.
Traxxas was on site at this year's event and had a bunch of their RC vehicles on display along with a Try Me track inside of the shop.
Oh no. Second left, bring your heat.
As always, the final Trigger King event of the day was RC Monster Truck Freestyle. This year, each driver had 60 seconds to lay down the best run they could.
Truck over truck. Tasteful hits, then boot it. Oh! Once another one. Oh, Bubka's in the KC 95 hot seat. Up to its name. Letting her eat. Man, chipping a tooth, maybe.
Since I actually won the freestyle competition at this event last year, I was the final truck out to compete. I had a great time tearing it up out there and ended up finishing in second place. For more Bigfoot Open House content, you can check out the videos I made at the 2022 and 2023 Bigfoot Open House here on the channel. Like and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.